Hey, Chris here with Reliable Home Improvement out here in Citrus Heights. I'm doing a home inspection. I just wanted to show you some things that I found here. Areas to be concerned about. This is called T111 Siding. Very common. It's a plywood that's decorative looking. It's got these routed lines down it to make it look like it's got vertical siding on it. It's been a while since it's been painted. You can see some cracks here. I'll show you some of the knots that were cut out when they were manufacturing the siding. Some areas here, something's been rubbing on there. One thing I want to point out to you guys, this is a no-no. You don't want to have organic matter sitting at the bottom of the T111. Traps all that moisture and then it wicks up into this siding and dry rots will start. We don't want to let it get this bad out here in Citrus Heights.